Hi, Deb Marnie here from Aussie Mail with another of our Mail It in Minutes videos. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's really good to see you here. Today we're doing a Mail It in Minutes video and I'll be showing you how to create the lunar eclipse earrings. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, well here's a sample earring of the Lunar Weave project that we'll be doing today. And to make up this set of earrings, you'll need the following components. So in bright aluminium, we're using 14 gauge AWG, which is 1.6mm diameter wire, with a ring ID of 3/8 of an inch or 9.53mm. You'll need 6 of these to make up the pair. In 16 gauge AWG, which is 1.2mm diameter wire, these are 3.5mm ID rings, and you'll need 14 of these. And in the anodized aluminium rings, we're using again 14 gauge AWG, 1.6mm diameter wire, with a ring ID of 1/4 of an inch or 6.35mm. You'll need 6 of these rings. You'll also need a pair of ear wires or ear posts, whatever it is that you like to wear. And of course, 2 pairs of smooth jawed pliers. These are our Xuron pliers. These ones are our short nosed and these ones are our chisel nose pliers. Okay, so to start making these earrings, I'm going to pick up my ear wire, take one of my 3.5mm ID rings, pop that through my ear wire, and then I'm going to put on 2 more of the rings of the same size. Okay, close our ring up, and then I'm going to close these 2 up because I put them on as opened rings. So I'm just going to close those up quickly now. Now you could make these earrings any length you want to make. I'm just going to make these with 3 of our large rings. So to do that, take up your largest ring, feed it through the pair of small rings, and then before you close that up, pop on 2 more small rings. Now you could pre-close these small rings if you wish to. I find it just as easy to come in and close them up as we're going along, but that is totally up to you. So close those 2 small rings up. And then take up another large BA ring, your 3/8, feed it through the pair of small rings, and then before we finish, pop on 2 more of those rings, 2 more of the small rings. Close your large ring up, and then close up your small rings as well. Okay. And then I'm going to add 1 more large bright aluminium ring. As I said, you can make this as long or as short as you would like it to be. It's totally up to you. Okay, so once we've got all our bright aluminium rings in place, okay, our earring looks like that. And now we want to place our anodized aluminium rings. So making sure you've got the front of the earring facing you, so that is the front of the hook like this, take up your anodized aluminium ring, and we're going to feed that through these pairs of small BA rings. So we're just going to go 1 through there, close it up. Okay, and then we're going to move down to the next pair of small BA rings, and we're going to feed our anodized aluminium ring through there as well. Okay, and just place our last ring and we are done. Okay, so that's all it takes to make up your lunar eclipse earrings, or at least one of them. Repeat all of those steps so that you've got a pair, and you've got a beautiful new pair of earrings to wear out and show off. Alright guys, well that's it. That's our Mail It Minutes video today. I hope you enjoyed the video and you are now wearing a fabulous pair of earrings. Don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up here at YouTube, comment below, ask any questions you like, share the video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. That'll help us get more content out to you guys in the future. While you're here, don't forget to check out all our other videos that we have available, and last but not least, give our shop link a click and go and have a look. We have all the tools and components you need to make these project earrings and many others.